Yes, dear students, now we will go to the next topic of your book, which is the last topic of this chapter, which is Roman numbers. So, what do you know about Roman numbers? Roman number is a number which is used in ancient Rome civilization, which has its own symbols for writing various numbers. Sometimes we see these numbers on the faces of clocks at the railway and bus stations. We often number our pages and questions with Roman numbers, or we can say Roman symbols. The Romans used 7 letters, only 7 letters of English alphabets in place of in place to write the Roman numbers. The letters we use with the corresponding Hindu Arabic numbers. So here you can see there are two lines. One is of Roman numbers and the another one is of Hindu Arabic numbers. This is our Hindu Arabic number. Okay. So this number is Hindu Arabic number and this number is Roman number. So I in English is written as 1 in Roman number. V in Roman number is written as 5. X is as 10. L as 50. C as 100. D as 500. M as 1000. So these are the 7 symbols used on the place of these numbers. Okay, and by using only these 7 numbers, we make the number which is as greatest as possible. So there are some rules to make these numbers. Using these rules we can form the numbers of from this Roman number. Okay, first rule: when the number is smaller than the number placed on the right side. So if the number is smaller on the right side of the number, we add it. So we add, here V means what we have learned, V means 5. So we have written V on the place of 5 and 2 i's. So 1 I plus 2 I. 1 I means 1. So 1 is added up, here written as 2. So 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Similarly, L means 50. 3x becomes as here 30. So 50 plus 30 comes 80. Rule 2. Rule 2 is similarly as rule 1 only. Here rule 2 says that the repetition of letters means addition. Here if the number is repeated, here also 3x are repeated, so it is 30, and 2i is repeated, it is 2. The repetition of numbers means addition in Roman number. Some letters are repeated up to 3 times. Only the limit of repeating numbers is till 3 times, not more than 3. The letters like I, X, C and M can be repeated at one given time. So the number like I, X, C and M can be repeated only till 3 times, not more than that. Okay. So next, third rule is when a smaller letter is placed on the left of the bigger letter, it means subtraction. So here if the smaller number is placed on the left side, means it is written before the symbol, before the bigger number. Here you can see that it is written before the bigger number. I is written before v. V means 5 and I means 1, so it means subtraction. If the number is written before, it means subtraction, and if number is written after, it means addition. Remember this. So here v means 5 and I means 1, so 5 minus 1 is 4, so the answer is 4. This symbol indicates 4. So 10, x means tens and I means 1. 10 minus 1 gives 9. So this symbol gives us 9. X, L. L is 50 and x is 10. Here 50 minus 10 gives 40. So this number XL in Roman number is written as 40. Now, if the number is given to us, how we will find out that what is the value of the number? So let us come and learn how to know that. Here the number is given L, X, X, I, I. L means 50, X means 10, 10, and I means 1, 1, as we have read earlier. 50 plus 20 plus 2. So 50 plus 20 is 70, plus 2 is 72. C and D. So what we have learned earlier, that the number written, the small number written before the bigger number means subtraction. So here D means 500 and C means 100. So 500 minus 100 becomes 400, and here 2 I symbols means 2. So it comes as 402. Next, C means 100 and X means 10. So the small number is written on the left side of the bigger number or before the bigger number. So it means subtraction. So 100 minus 10 gives 90, and V 1. V means 5 and 1 I means 1. So it gives us 96. So this is the way how we will find the value of the numbers. There are some defects of the Roman numeral system. So let's go through that also. There are no symbol for 0 in the Roman system. There is no any symbol given for 0 in the Roman numeral system. Second, the Romans used only and only 7 symbols, which are not sufficient to write large number. They only use 7 numbers or 7 symbols to write the number, which is not sufficient. Third is, we have to use many symbols even to write small numbers. If we have to write a small number also, then also we have to use a lot of numbers, a lot of symbols. Like here as example 8 is given. For writing 8, a small number, we have to use 4 symbols. That is VIII. Next, for writing 48, we have to use 6 symbols, which is a quite number of symbols we have to use. So this is here where Roman system is defeated. Okay, that's all for today's topic, and I hope you all have got it. Thank you.